Garlic is a key flavoring in Cuban cuisine and is used in many dishes, including sofrito, a sauce made from garlic, onions, and tomatoes, and mojo, a sauce made from garlic, citrus juice, and spices. Citrus fruits, particularly lime and sour orange, are used to add flavor to many Cuban dishes. They are often used in marinades and sauces. Popular Cuban dishes. Cuban cuisine features a variety of dishes that are beloved by locals and visitors alike. Here are some of the most popular dishes in Cuban cuisine. Ropa vieja. Ropa vieja is a classic Cuban dish that translates to old clothes. It is made from shredded beef that is slow cooked with onions, peppers, garlic, and tomato sauce. The dish is often served with black beans and rice. Lechon asado. Lechon asado is a roast pork dish that is marinated in a mixture of citrus juice, garlic, and spices. The pork is then slow roasted over an open flame until it is tender and juicy. The dish is typically served with rice, beans, and plantains. Picadillo. Picadillo is a ground beef dish that is cooked with onions, garlic, and peppers. It is often seasoned with cumin and bay leaves and is typically served with rice and beans. Arroz con pollo. Arroz con pollo is a rice and chicken dish that is seasoned with garlic, onions, and tomatoes. It is often made with saffron, which gives the dish its distinctive yellow color. Tostones. Tostones are twice fried plantain slices that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They are often served as a side dish or as a snack. Moro y cristianos. Moro y cristianos is a dish made from black beans and rice that is seasoned with garlic, onions, and cumin. The dish gets its name from the black beans, moro, and the white rice, cristianos. Cubano sandwich. The Cubano sandwich is a popular sandwich that is made with ham, roasted pork, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard. The sandwich is typically served on a Cuban bread roll that is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Flan. Flan is a popular dessert in Cuba that is made from eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. The dessert is similar to a custard and is typically served chilled. Traditional cooking techniques in Cuban cuisine. Cuban cuisine features a range of traditional cooking techniques that have been passed down through generations. Here are some of the most common cooking techniques used in Cuban cuisine. Slow roasting. Slow roasting is a cooking technique that is used to cook meat such as pork and beef. The meat is typically marinated in a mixture of citrus juice, garlic, and spices and then roasted over an open flame until it is tender and juicy. Sofrito. Sofrito is a sauce made from garlic, onions, and tomatoes that is used as a base for many Cuban dishes. The ingredients are typically sautéed together in olive oil until they are soft and fragrant. Pressure cooking. Pressure cooking is a popular cooking technique in Cuban cuisine that is used to cook beans and other tough ingredients quickly.